Hi, I'm Michael and welcome to my Urushi studio. Today I wanted to show you in a very short video the pens I finished in last several weeks and they are here in this beautiful Nakaya wrap. It's made of a fabric which is used for kimonos, and here are the pens. So some of them you could see on my previous videos, and I will very shortly walk you through techniques used on those pens. So this one is a mixture of tamenuri and a gold leaf on one pen. So tamenuri is a layer overlying transparent or semi-transparent layer of lacquer which gives depth, and in some of the layers of this lacquer there are gold leaves applied on the previous layer. So it gives the multi-layer look of yellow, gold and brown pattern on the pen. And the next one is Akebono. Akebono is a technique of gradually of mixing two colors with gradual switch between one and another. Usually it's red and black, but sometimes you can meet other colors. In this case it's red and black, and it's not covered by any transparent layer, just finished with uvazuri. Next pen is Ishime. Ishime-kanshitsu actually. So Ishime means the structure means stone. So pens made in or any objects in urushi made in Ishime technique resemble the surface of the stone. In this case it's achieved by using a kanshitsu fun. So it's a powder or granules of cured urushi applied on fresh urushi layer and then covered by more urushi layers and grinded to achieve the effect you want to achieve on the surface. I will show the complete Ishime-kanshitsu technique in one of the future videos. Next one is a typical Aka-tamenuri. So it's a red base layer then covered with transparent urushi. You can see it's very fresh pen in categories of urushi, so it's got like 2 months. And the overlying layer, this transparent layer, did not become transparent enough yet, but you already can see much more red color at the edges and all the areas where the surfacing layer is thinner. So this is Aka-tamenuri. Next one is nashiji. So it's a silver powder applied on the pen. This powder is maybe not a powder, it's a very small granules. So it's number 9 powder of silver, round granules of powder, which give similar effect to kanshitsu fan, but much more subtle. Then it is covered with nashiji lacquer, which will become even more transparent in time. So you will see that it will change into more silvery look after several months. And there is a roll stopper with a spider applied, because those lines created with silver on the pen resemble the strings of spider web. At least for me, so I decided to apply a sterling silver roll stopper in a form of spider on this pen. Next pen is another Aka-tamenuri, but this time both are Aka-tamenuri actually, but slightly different. Both have gold flakes applied under this tamenuri surface. In case of this one, the flakes are applied deeper, so there are more layers of transparent urushi over the red layer and those flakes. And in case of this pen, the gold flakes are placed several times on following layers of tamenuri finish, so you can look at them and see the depth of the tamenuri layers. Those layers have total of 0.5 millimeter thickness, but when you look at the pen, it appears that some flakes of those, some of those gold flakes are much deeper. It can resemble the amber with a insect or some other pieces embedded inside. So it's very deep, deep pond, so tamenuri, but actually it's only 0.5 millimeter deep. So that's my current inventory. Some of those pens are available for sale, some are ordered and they are waiting to be cured fully at my studio, and that's it for today. So if you want more, please like this video, let me know what you would like to see in the future ones, and subscribe to my channel not to miss anything in the future. Thank you very much. Bye.